Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming to this presentation and honor to meet you here. I'd like to tell you a bit about myself. My name is Wadili Dentri. Today, I will be the moderator in this group presentation. I'm and my group going to talk about the benefit tomatoes are good for your skin. My talk will be in the four part. Introduce us from group 9B, which consists of 5 people. Part 1. Later, my colleague Puput Pitrani will explain about the explanation about tomatoes. Then in the second part, will be read by Seti Ade about the health benefit of tomatoes. And in the third part, my colleague Siskia will explain about research and result. And for the fourth part, my colleague Sofiullah will explain about how to use tomatoes must without processing. And the purpose of this presentation is to show you how the tomatoes might help to manage tomatoes for skin health. Without further ado, I would like to welcome our presenter to start the presentation. Friend, please start your first presentation and introduce yourself.
Okay, thanks moderator for the time and opportunity. Introduce myself, my name is Ulfitriani. Let's move to the first part of my talk, which is about the explanation tomatoes. Tomatoes, which are actually a fruit and not a vegetable, are loaded with all kinds of health benefits for the body. There are in fact a highly versatile health products and due to their actual versatile prevention option. There is really no reason to neglect the tomato as part of healthy diet. One of the most well-known tomato eating benefits is lycopene content. Lycopene is a vital antioxidant that helps in the fight against cancerous cell formation as well as other kind of health complications and disease. Free radical in the body can be caused with high level of lycopene, and the tomato is amply loaded with this vital antioxidant that is actually drives its redness from the nutrient. Lycopene is a naturally produced element within body, and the human body requires source of lycopene in order to make use of this powerful antioxidant. Where other fruit and vegetable do contain this necessary whole ingredient. No other fruit or vegetable has the high concentration of lycopene that the tomato takes pride in. Okay, we explain what is the use of tomatoes. Let's Let's turn to the next part is about the benefit of tomatoes.
Okay, thanks for Puput. I am introduce myself. My name is Septi Adewandira. Let's turn to the next part. There kinds of benefit tomatoes. The first to cancer is the second is heart and three is high cholesterol. Studies involving the tomato have cropped up all over the world of medical science. There are more health benefit is derived from eating a tomato than the scientific community is able to find. At last years, yet, their studies have proven not only the benefit in preventing cancer, heart disease, as well as high cholesterol are also in the tomato side. This is really exciting information. The health benefits of tomatoes are becoming more and more documented every day. We learn now as of this amazing fruit. Cancer such as prostate cancer, cervical cancer, colon cancer, rectal cancer, and cancer of the stomach, mouth, pharynx, and esophagus have all been proven to be staved off by high level of lycopene. The explanation of my presentation about the benefit of tomatoes for health has been completed. Please continue to the next presentation, which is about research results.
Okay, thank you for Septi. Introduce myself. My name is Siska Eka Putri. As Septi shared before, let's move on to the next part about research result on the benefit of tomatoes. Based on the reported in the Journal of Pharmacognosy and Pathochemistry, tomato natural medicine and its health benefits, the researchers found that tomatoes are the biggest source of dietary lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that, unlike nutrients in more fresh fruits and vegetables, has even great bioavailability after cooking and processing. Tomatoes also contain other protective mechanisms such as thrombocyte and anti-inflammatory function. Research has additionally found a relationship between eating tomatoes and a lower risk of carcinoid cancer as well as other conditions, including cardiovascular disease, osteoporosis, ultraviolet includes skin damage, and cognitive dysfunction. For the result, research introduced lycopene into pre-existing cancer cell cultures, and the lycopene prevented the continued growth of the cultures. This is pretty powerful evidence that the health benefits of eating a tomato are really quite phenomenal. Research is now slowly plotting that there is a likelihood that the consumption of tomatoes and tomato-based products actually may prevent serum lipid oxidation and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative disease. Okay, that's all I can explain my explanation about the research on the benefit of tomatoes and the result. Please continue to the next part, which is about how to use tomato marks without processing.
Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Sofiullah. I want to explain about how to manage tomatoes for skin health. How to manage tomatoes for skin health, including how to need a last 540 milliliters of liquid tomato products to get the benefit full of lycopene. What up? If you want to try tomatoes for skincare, you should start with about 8 to 12 tomatoes. First, peel the tomatoes and place the skin on your face with the inside of the tomato touching your skin. Second, leave the tomato on your face for a last 10 minutes. Then wash it off. Third, your face will feel clean and shiny. Some may occur, but will fade over time. Ingredients for making tomato juice. First, 2 tomatoes. Second, 2 spoons of sugar. Third, some ice. 4, some milk. 5, a glass of water. How to make tomato juice? Step 1, put tomatoes, sugar, ice, and water into a blender. Step 2, switch the blender on around 1 until 2 minutes. Step 3, pour the tomatoes juice into a glass. Step 4, pour some milk into the juice. Please return to moderator.
Okay, now stomp up tomatoes are good for the skin. Besides, the ripe red tomatoes are powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E and the lycopene in tomatoes prevent LDL oxidation actively. Tomatoes is a good alternative to health and good for the body. Tomatoes are an excellent fruit or vegetable for rapid skin cell replacement. Tomato juice can eat it used to help sunburned skin due to its unique vitamin C contents. And tomato juice can also be called good sport drink to recover tired and sleepy. It's the best if you are interested in tomatoes because they help and also maintain various kind of health. This concludes my talk for today. I hope this presentation will be useful for you. Thank you for your attention. Now we help health and heart.